guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a simple white and nude ombre look. I don't really do ombre that much, but I wanted to just do a simple ombre look. So you guys would have seen these nails already. I did, colorful, and I'm recording this in the same day, but I'm going to be doing this hand now, and I'm going to be doing, like I said, a classic white and nude ombre. I do have pixie crystals, which I kind of want to use on one of my nails, probably my ring finger, but we'll see if I use those yet. So of course you guys already know my long coffin tip, no C curve, extra long tips from Not Polished are my favorite. The top got messed up because I put a paper towel that had monomer that was still wet on it, but case is still fine. So I will size these out and everything, but first I am going to remove the shine from my nails. I have some gel polish on, just clear top coat, and I just want to remove the shine. I don't plan on keeping these on for long, so I don't really go too much into prep unless I know I'm going to be keeping these on. So I just want to remove the shine. So I have applied the tips, and now I'm just going to cut them down. I'm going to leave them probably about the same length as this hand. I don't want them too long. I did pretty long nails on my last set that I did on myself, so I just thought just go a little shorter this time. I like to jump back and forth. Sometimes I like super long nails, and sometimes I just want them short and easy to manage. This isn't obviously short to some people. This is definitely shorter for me than what I like, but I have done super short nails before just because it is easier to do things, but you can't say that long nails are not pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reshape the sides very lightly. I love these tips so much. These definitely are my favorite tips for a nice, like a almost tapered square, but still that coffin shape, and I love that shape on myself. Now I have my colors picked out. I'm using Core White from Young Nails, Nude Panther from Not Polished, and then I have my monomer. I have clear acrylic right here, and I'm using a number 14. My 14 rubbed off, but this is a number 14. I love this brush. I got this from an actual nail store. It was about 30, it was definitely under 40, but it was 30 something dollars. It was kind of pricey, but it's the best brush that I've ever had. Next time I go to one, I probably will get like a number 16. I like the bigger brushes. It does make doing nails a lot quicker. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some dehydrator, and then we're just going to put a thin layer of clear down, and then we're gonna do the white on the tip, and then blend the nude into the white to make the ombre, encapsulate, and then we will go ahead and file. Alright guys, I am loving how the ombre came out. So I went ahead and cleansed my nails with some rubbing alcohol and a manicure brush. And now I am going to use Gloss It from Not Polish. Just going to keep it very simple. I'm not going to be adding any gems. I'm not going to be doing the pixie crystals. Nothing. Just going to keep them simple and plain. So this is how the nails turned out. I absolutely love them. I think I'm going to be doing ombre more often, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!